the Honorable Abante has agreed to let me experience the senior citizen lane, a courtesy lane for today's endorsement statement. Honorable Chairperson Jervil Luistro, honorable members of the Committee on Justice, our esteemed guests, public whom we serve, na imbaga bigat tayo amin na po. Tayo ay naging isang bansang labis ang pagkahati-hati hanggang sa makalimutan na natin ang pagdating sa paglilingkod sa bayan. Dapat managot ang sinuman o anumang kulay ng politika na kanyang kinakabilangan. Ang pananagutan ay nangangahulugang paglalantad sa mali at paglalabag sa matagal nang umiiral at patuloy na sumisira sa ating mga institusyon. Now is the moment ripe for remembrance that it was nearly 4 years ago that the Vice President stood before us, raised her hand, and pledged faithfully and conscientiously to fulfill her duties as a Vice President of our country, preserve and demand our Constitution, execute our laws, do justice for every man, and consecrate herself to the service of the nation. Nakakalungkot po na isipin na nakalipas na po ang halos 4 na taon mula nung ipahayag. Ang mga pangakong iyon ay mukhang hindi naman natutupad. Sa kasalukuyan, ang Vice Presidente ay nahaharap sa mga aligasyon at paratang na pagtataksil sa tiwalang ipinagkaloob sa kanya ng taong bayan. Mga aligasyon na hinggil sa umiiral na kultura at panunuhol at ibang katiwalaang matagal nang sumisira sa integridad ng ating institusyon. Culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption at iba pang mabibigat na krimen. Under letter A, sufficiency in form, Honorable Chairperson Luistro and the honorable members of the Justice Committee, batay sa ating rules of procedure in impeachment proceedings, upon due referral, this committee shall determine whether the impeachment complaint is sufficient in form. Kaugnay nito, ang isang impeachment complaint ay kinakailangan na may kalakip na verification that the complainant has read the complaint and that the allegations are true and correct for his personal knowledge or based on authentic records. To this end, I invite the attention of the Honorable Committee to pages 71 and 72 of the verification page that the fourth impeachment complaint or the Cabrera complaint pursuant of the pages show that this complaint has been duly verified by the complainant himself, Attorney Nathaniel G. Cabrera, on the 18th of February 2026, under oath that the complainant deposed that he read and understood the contents of the complaint and that the allegations of the complaint are true and correct based upon personal knowledge and based upon authentic documents of the same date, and the verification is also duly notarized. Page 70 of the fourth impeachment complaint shows that it was signed by Attorney Nathaniel Cabrera. Higit pa rito, bilang bahagi ng formal na proseso, ako at si Representative Bienvenido M. Abante Jr. ay pumasa ng isang resolution of endorsement dated February 18, 2026, duly subscribed and sworn before the Honorable Secretary General Attorney Cheloy E. Villacaria Garafil. Madam Chair, it is respectfully submitted that the fourth impeachment complaint of the Cabrera complaint is sufficient in form and that it be allowed to proceed to the next stage of the proceedings. Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. anytime, anywhere.